Creating GST invoices for your business can be confusing, time-consuming, and risky if done incorrectly. But what if AI could generate a professional GST invoice in seconds? Introducing GST and Business Invoice Generator AI, part of the powerful CodeVerse AI OS platform. A smart AI tool designed for Indian businesses, freelancers, traders, and MSMEs. Simply enter your business details. Add GST or non-GST status. Provide product or service information. And select the state of supply. In seconds, the AI generates a clean, structured, professional invoice. This GPT can generate multiple invoice types, including GST tax invoices, non-GST invoices, proforma invoices, bills of supply, and simple receipts. It also automatically structures tax breakdowns, including CGST, SGST, and IGST, based on the details you provide. You can even generate invoices in multiple languages, including English, Hindi, and Tamil. With CodeVerse AI Premium, you unlock powerful features like professional invoice templates, logo branding, color themes, and PDF export ready for printing or emailing. This tool generates invoices based on the details provided and is for documentation support only. Always verify with a chartered accountant or GST professional before official use. Try GST and Business Invoice Generator AI today inside CodeVerse AI OS. The smarter way to create business invoices with AI. Download the app now. Ready to explore powerful AI tools? Download CodeVerse AI from the Google Play Store or use it on desktop and Mac here. https://app.aicodeverse.com. Start building smarter with CodeVerse AI.